Hi there, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun, a playground swing. Are you ready to start? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's swing into action. Let's start by drawing one side of the swing stand. We're going to draw in a shape first. Start by drawing two slanted lines that meet at the top, like the letter A. Now, add a small line across the middle to complete the A shape. This is the first stand of our swing. Now, let's connect the top of our A stand with a straight line across the top of the paper. This is the bar that holds up the swing. Next, let's draw the second A shape on the other side. Just like before, draw two slanted lines that meet at the top. And connect them with a small line in the middle.
Wow!
Our swing is really starting to come together. Now, let's add the ropes that the swing seat hangs from. Draw two straight lines coming down from the top bar. Make sure they're nice and even, so our swing stays balanced. Finally, let's draw the seat of our swing. Connect the bottom of the two ropes with a horizontal line. Then, draw a curved line below it to make the seat look comfy. Awesome! Our swing is complete!
Awesome!
Let's make our swing stand out by outlining everything with our black marker. Trace over all the lines to make them bold and sharp. Look how nicely our swing is working now. Now, it's time to add some color. Let's make our swing bright and fun. Start coloring with me, and let's name the colors as we go. First, we have red. Next is yellow. Now, let's use blue. Here comes orange. And finally, purple. Wow, look at our amazing playground swing. You did such a great job! Don't forget to share your awesome drawings with us. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep drawing and having fun. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.